Hi Kate, it's Tori with Saluzio Software, and today I'm going to show you how to update the staff profiles for the school and how you can go ahead and either change the name of someone or even add a new one. So the first thing we're going to do is log into the back end of the website, go to Article Manager, and then we are going to search for the category staff. So we're going to go to the school staff items. And here, if there's a teacher you're replacing, so let's say, I'm just going to use you as an example, we're updating who this is. What you would do is you would update the name, you would update this name as well, and then you'll notice there's a read more. And that's just going to open up into this article. But what we want to do, if we change the name of that, we want to go to publishing and then remove the alias. So that's going to open up in a new one. So I'm going to go ahead and save this to show you. And I'll go ahead and switch it back as soon as I'm done showing you. So for example, I updated yours. And it now says this is a test. I click on it, it goes to the correct URL now. So it says this is a test up top and right here. And then you can update the information about education and philosophy in the article itself. So you just don't want to mess with this red line because that's the read more. So we could update the information here and here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and switch this back. And I'm also going to clear. Okay, so that's how you're going to update a new person. If you need to add someone who's just now joining your group, we're going to open up one. And then we're going to save it as a copy. And we know it's copies because you see that number 2 in parentheses in the title. If you do not see the parentheses, do not edit because then you're just overwriting the information. So to copy, you want to make sure you see that 2 in parentheses. And then again, you would just update the information. So Tori Shippers, and I am... We're going to change this to be whatever their position is. And then for contact, we would update to contact Karen or contact the person if you're replacing it, because we have those online forms, which I'll walk you through in a little bit. So we would just update this to be contact Tori. Okay, save. And then we would do this updates here as well. And then we could just publish it. Again, make sure that alias is gone and we're going to save it. Okay. And if we go to that staff profiles, we'll notice that it has Karen's picture, but my person is first. So I would just reorder that in the back end. And to reorder, we're just going to drag and drop. Okay, I'm going to delete that one though. Okay, so that's how you're going to update the profiles itself. Now when it comes to the contacts, that's when we're going to go into the contacts, which are the forms. And we're going to go into contacts itself. And you can either add one. Again, I would just copy and paste it, to be honest. And then we're just going to link to that name. I hope this helps. Please let me know if I can assist you with anything else. Thanks and God bless.